Right, so I'm on my practice piece now. I'm just going to cover it with charcoal, her hair. I haven't put so much detail in this practice piece, but I think we can still use it just to see what happens on this paper with the charcoal. Doing hair version, or her kind of hair. I've got the picture right beside me here to see what I'm doing. So yeah, using the side of the pencil, get more charcoal on. This is a bit paler in here. Still needs charcoal on it. This is darker up here. Just smooth it over. That's the edge of her hair there. And kind of coming straight like that. Put some more charcoal. Just try and look at the direction of her hair. So you can get away from all that detail thing now and just get a bit more loose with this. I'm sweeping up. Okay, smooth it out. Just looking at the hairline carefully now. Just make sure we get this right. Now I've got to get some really nice strong dark marks in here next. So looking at this patch here, it's a nice dark patch here. Just go with the direction of it sweeping up. There's another dark patch here. It's nearly as tall. So you're just going to work through methodically like this. And there's a lighter patch here, there's a darker patch here. And you can press a bit harder with this, because when you start to blend it, it will all lighten up quite considerably. Right, you can see the hair's kind of sweeping up this way now. Some dark patches in it. The hair's sweeping across. Let's go across that way. Then there's a dark patch here, that direction, and another one here. Then we've got the dark mark. Right, so this dark mark's coming here. Measuring on this, just coming around there. Here's that angle. That's dark. just got the basics down, just as we did in the last picture in my practice run, and just got everything in the kind of right ballpark here. Now I'm just going to kind of go over it, just soften it all, make it look nice like here. Stop it looking wet. It looks very wet when it's like that. Just I've sharpened my charcoal pencil because I dropped it on the floor and it broke. So I've got a lot more charcoal coming through it now. Seems to be more effective. Okay, we'll just get that line in. It's always a good idea just to soften the outside of hair like this. Especially if you're not going to do a background, then I'll just show you like this is what I would do really, just give it a softness. Yeah, this could be a lot looser than her face. It'll be a nice contrast. Right, we'll get this hairline in. It's quite light compared to the rest of her hair. Just there, but this is where her hairline starts. Right through, right here. Needs to come down. Just wanted those in. And this is the dark edge of her face. Where it hits the light. That's dark. It's probably going to need to go a lot darker than that. We'll concentrate on the hair for now. Okay, just standing back, just coming away from it a bit just to see. That's a mass of her hair there. Yeah, this is going to work better if we just put it on with the charcoal, I think. It's nice and soft. And another one just there. It's nice. Then bits coming round like that, blowing in the wind. It's nice. That's okay for now anyway. Yeah, this is going to have to be a lot darker in here. Just try and get a bit of depth in there now. See, putting the hair on changes everything, see? If you want to get an effect of the light, this has got to be a lot darker. Just build out gradually. Take off some there, put it on here. Quite a line there, just here. Okay, so we'll get this a little bit darker now while we on the charcoal. Just coming across here. Just needs to be darker. That's really light, that spot there. Leave that. Now, if this is dark, you see we're seeing the light here. It's not apparent otherwise, is it? This is darker through here. It's too dark. Just get it off a bit. Not rubbing, just dragging it over.